G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 2 and today we're going to be putting in our non-slip ply floor. So it's 17 mils thick with a non-slip coating. Right, so this is the first panel. We're going to put all these panels into place and then we'll get them to the factory points. Right, now we've got the aluminium joiner strip. You'll see slightly skinnier section here, so you want that thicker part on the bottom. Alright, got the joiner strip in, now time to get this middle piece in. This is where it can be a bit snug. Should still fit there. Aluminium joiner strip. Now onto the last panel. Okay, now I've done a bit of a rookie error. I forgot to take these little end caps out. That's what it's just catching on, so it's not going fully down. So I'll take them out and that should fit perfectly. Well, there you have it folks. Floor is finally in. So now it's just time to mount them to the factory points that are already supplied by the vehicle. Okay, with these ones I've got all the brackets ready to go. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to screw all these brackets to the actual vehicle first and get it all into place, and then we'll screw it into the floor. Time to get this in. Well guys, that's the floor down. It's mounted into the factory points existing in the van. The only thing missing is the yellow trim, so I'm going to duck out the back. I'm going to grab them, give it a bit of a clean, and that's your Ford Transit floor done. So we've got the two end panels now, so this one goes at the end and this one's going to be coming out the side door. If you're looking to get one of these floors in your van, just head to vanproducts.com.au. We can get these out in typically about a week. We ship obviously Australia wide, so reach out, vanproducts.com.au.